Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back and welcome to Wednesday. You know what Wednesdays are? Temu unboxing days. So let's get into the package. Let me get some scissors and we'll get into this. I think this is one of the 20x20 sizes. So we'll take a snip or an incision down here because it looks like it's over this side of the package. So we'll take a look and see what we've got in here. I think this is my dragon. If it is, yes! It's my little dragon. Oh yeah, man. Right, okay, so this is a 20x20. I wanted to get this size because obviously what I plan to do is on a Tuesday I want to do a painting from A to B. I don't know how long it would take, but that's the challenge. Obviously I've done a 30x30. I want to tackle a 20x20 next. So in here you can see it's rather teeny tiny, but look how cute he is. Oh, it's so cute. And what really grabbed me for this, it's lovely and short. You got that sort of, you know, that card sort of feel to it. And I think we could nail that in a 2-hour live on a Tuesday. We've got a lot of colour blocking and I just think it's a nice, decent size. It is quite a small picture, but these are gonna, I've got a lovely place in my kitchen for this sort of painting. If we just take this out of the holder, we go over to there, you can see that I've got like this gap between the roof and the tile, so I thought it could sit there in the kitchen once it's framed and that. So what I think I might do as well is cut the border off. We've got 16 colours into this and it's just so gorgeous. So let's put that over to one side. I think that's probably the same size as my yin and yang. So yeah, we'll put that to one side. We've got our bag of the pen, wax and trays. It does look like the bags are being phased out, so that's a good sign. And then in here we have got our wheels. So in here we have got all of these, which is, this was one of the packages that the Collier lost, so I had to reorder this, which has only just come today, which is quite nice. Which is we've also got the white, the lilac, the green, the blue, the pink, the green, the blue, the brown. Nice dark green. I'm really fond of that colour because I do a build called Build the Eddie Stobart, and as you can see, it's sort of like that sort of colour. So yeah, and then we've got blues and we've got all sorts there. That purple just is so eye-watering. You look at it and it just blasts you in the face. There's lovely colours, so lots of lovely colours there. If you do like what you see, then please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell. There's only one order in this for this order, but please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell for to be notified of all further videos I do, and I'll see you next time for another video. Take care, bye bye.